Hi there, thanks for coming back to the channel. The title for today's video is what is a LinkedIn service page? Keep watching and I'll give you my thoughts after the break. Hi there, before we get into today's topic, if you haven't subscribed already, don't forget to turn on the notifications, it's very important. Okay, today's topic, what is a LinkedIn service page? I received an email from LinkedIn, so let's go to the email. It says, hi Mike, you now have exclusive access to create a LinkedIn service page, a new tool to help your business get discovered by the world's largest professional platform. Service page is a customizable landing page for your business that allows you to get discovered by our over 740 million members. So click here to edit your service page. So I'm going to start to create a service page now and then share that experience with you. So keep watching. So click. Okay, we're opening up LinkedIn. I'm signed into LinkedIn, of course. Tell us about your services and work preferences. Get found in search results when people look for services. Let potential clients reach out to you for free. Let's click continue. I've already identified services, so that's clear. Tell us about your services and what makes you stand out, such as projects you've worked on your years of experience. Okay, I'm going to use some of the content that I already have on my profile. It looks like I'm just going to reposition it. Location available, yep. So let's just go to my profile in another window. We help business owners and CMOs in larger businesses to achieve this by creating content that solves problems for your prospects are facing, and in doing so we build relationships with them. So this is something that's on my profile, and so I'm going to use this. Do you need help generating more leads for prospects for your B2B business? I'm going to copy that, pop that in there. And I'm also going to take this section, which is in and you might do the same with your profile. Copy that, put that in here. So enter that, pop that in there. And then I'm going to click next. Services provided by my Okay, that seems to be fine. Your visibility settings may cause minor differences in how your services appear to others. Let's click on that to see what that means. Visibility settings, okay. No, there's no obvious changes that I need to make there. Go to next and then publish. Your services page is now visible. Make changes anytime by going to your profile. So let's have a look at this services page. Click this, close that. Okay, so I've published my services page. Going back to my profile, services page is now visible. Make changes anytime by going to your profile. So this is my profile, providing services. That information was already there. See all details, click on that. Services page. So my location is clear and the services I provide are now clear. That should improve my searchability on LinkedIn. We'll see, and obviously I'll make another video if I notice any significant change in incoming inquiries, leads or contacts or anything as a result of this new services page that I found out about when I got an email from LinkedIn, and I showed you that at the start of this video. Thanks for watching this shortish video. If you found this useful, you understand now, can see what a services page is, please give me a like and to click on one of the two thumbnails to watch another video. I look forward to speaking to you next time. Thanks, bye bye.